Hi, this is Lieutenant Commander Kumar Naidu, Indian Navy veteran, and since riding is my passion, you can see the machine which is right in front of me is the classic example of the design concept put into the modification and customization of my dream that had been since 12 years. Now, as you can see, this machine has been incorporating the various aspects of my career in the Navy, and every inch of this bike has been customized based on my likings and the things that I used to get connected or feel close to whilst I was in the service. The project is called as Davy Jones, as you can see it, and well, let's start from the front portion of this bike. And as you can see, the front mudguard has been positioned with a vintage anchor model, which highlights the very frontal part of the mudguard, which follows with a chain cable. Now this symbolizes the very basic aspects of the seamanship in the Navy, which is given a lot of precedence, importance. They are like brakes for a ship. As you can see, the headlight is depicting the typical porthole of a ship. A porthole are like small windows through which one can see from inside the ship to outside, and the butterfly clips are the typical design which gives it a vintage look. The potential of a warship is judged based on the amount of firepower that it can carry, and nothing best to describe the firepower with the customized design of the indicators on the bullet. And this is exactly in the shape of a bullet, has been given with small LED lights to use as indicators on this, I'd like to call it the design project. So moving on to the fuel tank of this machine. As you can see, on both sides we have the belt buckles, which is actually a part of the uniform of Indian Navy, and that has been incorporated on both the sides. Well, usually the belt buckles are with white belts or blue belts. However, that would not match up the design concept that we had for this bike, and hence we had gone with black belt. Additionally, I have got the fuel tank cap, which has been laser cutted with the compass rose to be placed on the cap, which we take the references and the directions from on a chart, which is majorly used for navigation purposes on a ship. We are looking at the toolbox now, which has also been customized. It has been machine cut. The typical toolbox is full, but I wanted it to give it a little edge so that I can highlight the name of the bike here on this toolbox, and that's there on either sides. The name of the bike here, as it shows, Davy Jones, and it has been done on gold leaf painting. Name of the EIMOR Customs is also engraved right below it. Good thing about this toolbox is at night it gets highlighted because we have incorporated certain LED lights. As you can see, the saddle has also been customized as per my likings, and I wanted typically a long seat and not the individual seat units. We have also tried to fill in the gaps by using the perforated metal sheet here with rubber beadings, so that it depicts the superstructure of the ship from which the engine smoke or exhaust comes out. Now this is the battery box, which has also been worked on. This typically depicts the ranks that we wear, and this refers to the rank that I used to hold whilst in service. That is the Lieutenant Commander's stripes. And we have the fuel tank caps, the bar and weights, indicators both front and rear, kick rods, and the foot peg ends have all been machined with brass metal, and they have all been engraved towards the end of it. The foot pegs typically is casted out of aluminum, and the ends have been given with brass caps, so that it highlights the design that we wanted to project. The color of the bike, we wanted to be predominantly red oxide color. As you can see, the reddish brown color that is highlighted on the fuel tank, and we wanted to match the engine covers with the same color. We wanted to incorporate the same kind of color towards the leather that is being used on the bike, and as you can see, the saddle has also in the same color, and the same has been used for the handle grips as well. There had been a lot of attention to details that were done on this bike, right from the dome nuts that we wanted to put, the kind of sound that this bike makes, I wanted it to be highlighted, and hence there was a change of silencer. And to incorporate the to fit in the big fat tires, rear tire, we had to modify the rear mudguard as well. And the tail light itself is also a highlight. Overall, as you can see, this project has really come out well, and I really thank EIMOR Customs for making this project a success, and I'm really happy with this. And to go with the bike, the helmet was also customized in the same theme of Davy Jones, and as you can see, the compass rose has been incorporated on either sides of the helmet, and the color of the bike has been put on the helmet. EIMOR had been very persistent in communicating with me and having me on board to monitor the progress as to how far they have reached, right from the dismantling of the entire bike to going ahead with the individual attention that has been given to individual components. And I really thank the EIMOR team, each and every individual. There had been a lot of people who had been working on this project, right from dismantling to giving details on each and every aspect of the bike, and most importantly, the working condition of the bike.
So hope you like this video about Davy Jones, and we are really thankful to Lieutenant Commander Naidu for his valuable time, and we're really touched. We are really very happy to see the level of enthusiasm and the kind of excitement, the kind of happiness that was quite evident in his bite about this video. I'm Joy from EIMOR Customs. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do spread the good words.